Hello, good people. Welcome to Good Things Fashion Tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to make this beautiful hijab inner cap. And in order to achieve that, I have with me here 1 yard of lycra fabric, 1 yard of lycra fabric. And the first thing we are going to do is to measure round the circumference of our head. We are going to measure round from the front of your head to the back of your head to know the length of the circumference. And for me, I measured 24 inches. For that 24 inches, you divide it by 2, which gave me 12 inches. I now minus from that 12, 1 inches. And 1 inch, I remove 1 inch from it to make it 11 inches because I'm working with a stretchy fabric here. So is that 11 inches I'm going to use to cut out the length of my head circumference. Now, the first thing is to fold our fabric, and we need to fold the fabric using the length that we need the cap to be, the length of the cap from front to the back, the length of the cap, which is 15 inches. I decided to use 15 inches. You can use 14 inches. It's either you use 14 inches or 15 inches. I decided to use 15 inches in case I make a big hairstyle, but you can use 14 inches. So I'm folding the fabric by 14 inches, and that is what I'm confirming here to make sure it's 14 inches. Make sure you confirm it to be 14 inches. After that, then I'm going to measure at the 11 inches, which will make the circumference of my head 11 inches, like I said earlier on. That's what I'm marking out, 11 inches. Then you also mark it out on the other side in this manner. You mark out the 11 inches again, like so. Mark it out. After marking it out, you now take the fabric at the 2 points of the 11-inch measurement and fold it over, like so. You fold it over like so. Make sure you are working on the right side of your fabric, that you can actually see the right side of the fabric. I'm confirming my measurement to be 11 inches and 15 inches length, 11 inches width. Then the next thing is to cut it out like so. Just watch closely how I'm going to cut it out. You cut it out in this manner, going over the fabric and slanting your hand in this manner. Cut it out. You know the fabric is folded, but make sure you are working on the right side of the fabric. You can see the right side of the fabric is on top and also inside. The both side folded will be right side. You can actually see the right side of the fabric depending on which fabric you are using. Now, the next thing is to sew down the cut area, and I went to my sewing machine and already sew it down. I have sewn down the area that I cut earlier on, and that's where the head circumference will go in. You can see the opening for the head. Now the next thing, after sewing down all those areas that I cut earlier on, the next thing is to take your needle and thread. If you have a long needle, you is better, but if you don't have, like me, you can use a small needle and thread. Then you begin to gather your cap like so. You start by tacking it down very well. At the beginning, make sure it's strong that you tack it down. Then after that, you begin to gather your material in this manner with big allowance in between. You begin together. Make sure you gather. After gathering it together, you pull everything together, make it tight, and you finish it securely. Make sure that at the finish end you sew it down very well in order to for the thread not to unravel. You finish it very well. You know that your customer will not be able to gather it and do the necessary work. They may not be able to repair it if your thread unravel. So make sure that you secure your thread very well after gathering the after you finish gathering the cap. And this is what you have after you finish gathering. This is what you have. Pull it together, pull your thread and gather the cap together very well, then secure it so that it does not unravel. Make sure it is well secured. Then we cut the thread, cut out the thread, and that is all about the sewing of the inner cap. You now turn it to the right side. Turn it to the right side, and this is the finished inner cap. This is the finished inner cap. Please, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Also put on your notification bell in order for you to receive notification anytime I post a new well explanatory video such as. Thank you.